Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Home Assistant dashboards for smart device control, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Home Assistant dashboard. Log into your Home Assistant account. On the left sidebar, click on Overview to access the main dashboard. To create a new dashboard, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Edit Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Click on Add Dashboard to create a new dashboard. Name your new dashboard and click Create. Once your dashboard is created, click on the Add Card button. A menu of card options will appear for you to choose from. Select the type of card that suits your smart device control goals. For example, choose entities to control multiple devices at once. Configure the card by selecting the entities you want to include. Click Save to add the card to your dashboard. To arrange the cards, simply drag and drop them to your preferred position. If you want to create a view strictly for a specific smart device, click Add View. Name your view clearly to indicate its focus on that device. Add cards specific to that device, following the process outlined earlier. To customize the dashboard further, click on the card's gear icon. Adjust settings like card background, title, and icon according to your preferences. To enable remote access, navigate to Configuration in the sidebar. Select Settings and then General. Turn on the Allow Remote Access option. Make sure your network settings allow visible connectability for devices. Save your changes before exiting the Settings menu. To integrate existing smart devices, go to Integrations in the sidebar. Search for your specific smart device's integration and click on it. Follow the prompts to set up and link your device with Home Assistant. Once linked, return to your dashboard to add the device to your visual layout. Select the Add Card button again, then choose your newly integrated device. Configure the card to showcase the functions available for that smart device. Save your settings and return to your dashboard to test the controls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.